Hey YouTube, Cliff here. Today I want to talk to you about some upgrades that Celcius is making. So let me pull up their website. And so I will place a link down below to Celcius Network's website. If you don't have an account with them, I would suggest you check them out. Right now they're doing a promo. If you deposit $400 of any crypto, you will get $40 of Bitcoin. Now, this isn't a sponsored post for them. I just really like Celcius Network. I've been with them for about a year now, and really, they've just been great all around. So, one of the things that I really like about Celcius Network is that they're geared towards my needs, which they call themselves a hodler's platform, which simply just means that most people are putting their crypto over there. They're just holding it. This platform's not for day trading. It's just somewhere you can place your crypto and earn yield on it. They give rewards once a week, so that's nice. I like the weekly payouts. It's kind of motivating to want to invest more in crypto. And I've also found that their security is a little bit better. Not only do they have like 2FA, which is done through an authentication app, which is the best way to do it. If you guys don't know, if you're using 2FA from your phone, it's pretty easy for that to be hacked with a social engineering attack. Someone can just call up your phone company, pretend to be you, and next thing you know, they have your 2FA passcode. If they can figure out your password, you're pretty much screwed at that point. So not only do they have great 2FA, they also have a mode on there called hodl mode, which pretty much is they give you a code, you save the code somewhere, it locks down your account, and anytime that you want to re-enable your account, you would just input that code, and then it takes 24 hours for you to trade again. For some people who want to do a lot of trading, that's probably not great for them, but for me, I'm just holding my crypto. I'm just trying to save, so it gives me a little bit more peace of mind just knowing that if somebody's trying to do anything crazy with my account, they're going to send me an email. Nothing can be sent out for 24 hours while it's in that hodl mode. And yeah, I really like the things that they're doing. So the only downside that I found from Celcius was that, let's say you are using it as a savings account. You are depositing stable coins into your Celcius account, and then maybe you decide that what you were saving those stable coins for, you don't need to make that purchase anymore. Maybe you want to invest it into, let's say, Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever you want to invest it in. That's fine. So I would need to, or you would need to, if you're in this situation, to transfer your crypto to a different exchange. You would have to trade for the pairs that you want and then send it back to Celcius. And if you have that hodl mode activated, this would actually take days. It's really annoying. So Celcius agrees with me there, and they've added a new feature that they are taking names for right now, and they are going to go into their beta testing, it looks like next month. So basically what they're adding is they're adding swapping pairs. So if you have those stable coins, like I said previously, and you want to swap it to Bitcoin, you can do it simply on the platform, which that was really the only downside I could think of Celcius. So this is really a huge improvement. So if you see the website here, you can sign up. Yeah, just sign up here. They have a FAQ towards the bottom because it's still kind of new. They don't really know what's going on with it. So swapping those pairs is going to be zero fees, which that's the first thing I wanted to know. Are they going to charge me for this? So zero fees. Right now, they don't have a list of the pairs that are available, but I'm sure they're going to have plenty of pairs. I mean, they're testing it out right now, and I'm sure they're going to expand on it. Maybe at first it's going to be Bitcoin or Ethereum or something, but we'll see how it goes. The big thing here that I was worried about is how is this going to affect the yield that you're earning? And Celcius, being the trustworthy company they are, it looks like they're going to prorate from the time that you swap those pairs. So you'll just swap the pairs and then you'll earn whatever you swap into's percentage, and it's just everything evens out. So I'm definitely all for this. I don't know why they had this as a question here, but the question is, can someone who has taken out a loan use the swap feature? And of course they can't. Obviously, if you have a loan on crypto, they're not going to let you swap it into something else. You're not trading that crypto. But anyway, moving on from that, how much can I swap every day? So like I said before, Celcius is a hodling platform. They don't want people to come over and day trade. So it looks like there will be a set number that you can trade, and it says here daily, weekly, monthly. So I don't know. I would be okay if they had like 3 times a month. If it's anything more than that, then great. But I just don't see myself swapping that much on the platform. So if it's more than 3, that's great. But yeah, so it looks like Celsius getting a huge upgrade. I'm definitely looking forward to it. I'm going to be going up here and signing up myself. Like I said, if you don't have Celsius, I would suggest you look into it. And if you're interested, there's a link in the description for $40 of Bitcoin if you deposit $400 of any crypto. And yeah, so let me know what you think and comment down below.